Assalamualaikum. Here is Roshni with CID News Network Islamabad. Today's English headlines. PM Imran Khan shares 2020 letter to Muslim leaders on Islamophobia. Prime Minister Imran Khan shared his 2020 letter sent to the leaders of Muslim countries to act collectively to counter the growing Islamophobia in non-Muslim states, especially Western states. Talks between government banned TLP successful, Sheikh Rashid. Talks between the government and the banned Tehreek-e-Labbaik Pakistan remained successful, announced Interior Minister Sheikh Rashid. Cabinet approves setting up database of demand and supply of food items. The Federal Cabinet approved setting up a database for a record keeping of demand and supply of essential food commodities. Resolution on French envoy PPP to stay away from NA session. As the National Assembly session has been summoned to pass a resolution on our expulsion of a French ambassador, the Pakistan People's Party has decided to stay away from it. Ehtizaz advises proscribed group to understand its harmful demands. Sir Ehtizaz Ahsan has said that the talks with an outlawed group have no legal standing, but the dialogue is circumstantial. UAE extends repayment of $2 billion loan given to Pakistan. The United Arab Emirates has extended the repayment of a $2 billion deposit given to Pakistan by the Abu Dhabi Fund for Development in January 2019 to boost liquidity and help overcome the financial crisis. Apple to bring Parler back to App Store. Apple will bring social media app Parler, forwarded by US conservatives, back to its App Store after the iPhone maker pulled it following the deadly Jan 6 US Capitol riot, according to a letter sent to two Republican lawmakers. Dubai Aerospace orders 15 Boeing 737 MAX jets. Dubai Aerospace Enterprise has announced that it had entered into an agreement to acquire 15 Boeing 737 MAX 8 aircraft. This is the end of today's news. If you didn't subscribe our channel yet, please subscribe it, like it, share it and comments on it. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook. Take care and stay tuned with CID News Network Islamabad. Goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.